Thank you for visiting this channel. Before watching the conversation about the MQ-9 Reaper drone, please subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with military technology news from the RA Military Channel. MQ-9 Reaper drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, that are used by the United States military and other countries for a range of missions. These drones are remotely piloted and can carry a variety of weapons, including Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway-2 bombs, and GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAM. The MQ-9 Reaper has been used extensively by the United States military in a variety of operations, including counterterrorism missions in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Yemen. In January 2020, a Reaper drone was used to carry out a targeted strike that killed Iranian General Qasem Soleimani in Baghdad, Iraq. The attack led to a major escalation of tensions between the United States and Iran. The MQ-9 Reaper is a long-endurance drone that can stay airborne for up to 27 hours and has a range of up to 1,150 miles. This makes it a valuable asset for long-duration missions, including intelligence gathering, surveillance, and reconnaissance. The MQ-9 Reaper drone is a remarkable unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that has become an essential tool in modern warfare. Here are some interesting facts about the greatness of the MQ-9 Reaper drone. The MQ-9 Reaper is a large UAV, with a wingspan of 66 feet and a length of 36 feet. It weighs around 4,900 pounds when empty, and up to 12,500 pounds when fully loaded. The MQ-9 Reaper is a multi-role drone that can be used for a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, surveillance, target acquisition, and air support. The MQ-9 Reaper has a maximum endurance of over 27 hours, making it ideal for long-duration missions. The MQ-9 Reaper sensor suite includes advanced cameras, radars, and other sensors that enable it to gather real-time intelligence and identify potential threats. The MQ-9 Reaper can operate at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet, allowing it to conduct operations in hostile airspace. The MQ-9 Reaper can carry a payload of up to 3,750 pounds, including weapons such as Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs, and JDAMs. The MQ-9 Reaper's weapon system includes advanced targeting and guidance systems that enable it to deliver highly accurate and precise strikes on enemy targets. The MQ-9 Reaper is operated remotely by a crew on the ground, reducing the risk to human pilots. The MQ-9 Reaper is constantly evolving, with new upgrades and capabilities being developed and added to the platform on an ongoing basis. The MQ-9 Reaper uses satellite and line-of-sight communication systems to maintain contact with ground control, allowing it to operate in remote or hostile environments. The MQ-9 Reaper has been used in combat operations around the world, including in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria, demonstrating its effectiveness and reliability in real-world scenarios.